इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद लेसन वन होगा, फिर लेसन 1 to 10 केस है। योर colleague Mark has been asked to speak at a conference on the subject of the company's innovative projects. He knows the topic and can talk about it for hours on end, but he is short for time. He has only been given 15 minutes. That is why Mark wants to define the goal of his presentation, since it will show the results he intends to achieve by doing the presentation. Mark has already come up with several goals to choose from. He wants to run them by you to hear what you think. ऑप्शन वन आपका है, क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, द गोल इज टू बी वेल रिसीव, स्ट्राइक अ chord with the audience and show yourself off. ऑप्शन टू है, the goal is to provide the audience with the information on innovative projects. Option 3 है, the goal is to convince the audience to embrace my opinion on the matter. Option 4 है, the goal is to pick the interest of specialists and to encourage them to come work for our company. पहला है, you have set the wrong goal. The speaker will be solely focused on himself, on what he feels and does. He will fail to capture the audience. They will not pay any attention to the presentation. Try to choose a goal with a focus on the audience, then it will turn your attention to the people. For example, you can choose inspiring your audience as your goal. फिर आपका ऑप्शन टू है, क्या कहते हैं? यू हैव सेट द रॉन्ग गोल. योर फोकस विल बी ऑन रिमेंबरिंग योर स्पीच. एज अ रिजल्ट योर ऑडियंस विल हैव टू endure your monotonous speech. Little connection with them. Poor time management. Overall flatness of the presentation and your fear of making mistakes. Your audience will struggle to stay awake. The speaker should have to think of the goal as desirable. If he is not inspired by the subject matter and has been tasked with doing this presentation as part of the job, then it will not strike a chord with the audience. ऑप्शन थ्री है आपका, जो यू हैव सेट द राइट गोल. इट इज़ फोकस्ड ऑन द ऑडियंस एंड इंस्पायर्स द स्पीकर. If the topic is exciting for the speaker, then it will exciting for the audience too. Such a goal can help reach the audience and improvise on the spot. Since the speaker will not be glued to his papers, it is important to be able to express your opinion freely on every topic. Even if it is different from everyone else, then you will grab the audience attention. इसके बाद आपका ऑप्शन फोर है, यू हैव सेट द राइट गोल. द स्पीकर वांट्स टू रेजोनेट विद द ऑडियंस, सो ही विल हैव टू एम्प्लॉय एनर्जी, boldness, humor and connect with the audience, meaning the presentation will be a success. meaning the presentation will be a success. नेक्स्ट लेसन वन आपका है, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज आपका जो है. आज के लिए इतने, अल्लाह हाफिज़. आज के लिए इतने, बाकी कल पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.